Hello, friends. Night is as important as day is important. You cannot separate night from day, and you also cannot separate day from night. So, day and night, they both have equal importance. Similarly, happiness and unhappiness both are important and both have their own values in life. Often it is seen that whenever troubles, sufferings, pains, problems they come, people run away from these things. They avoid these things. But we must understand, if you run away from pains, sufferings, sorrows, troubles, how can you understand them? It is true that every person desires to have happiness. It is true that problems, they make us sad. We suffer because of problems. We suffer because of troubles and pains. But we cannot ignore the another aspect of pains, sufferings, troubles and sorrows. They have their own importance. They teach us so much as no teacher can teach us. They give us so many experiences as nothing can give us. When troubles, sufferings, problems, calamities, they come in our life, they give us a chance to recognize who is our true friend and who is false friend. They give us the ability to judge between right person and wrong person. When problems, troubles, sufferings come to us, those who are fair weather friends, they run away. Those who are our real well-wishers, only they live with us. So problems, troubles, sufferings, they give us a chance to recognize a person. One thing is this, that whenever we are very much happy, when happiness comes in our life, we never identify ourselves. We never identify our own powers, talents and capacities. When problems, troubles and sufferings, they come, they identify us to ourselves. They give us a chance to recognize our own talent. They give us a chance to recognize our own powers. In fact, problems, troubles, sufferings, they instigate us not to sit, but go, but move, do this thing or do that thing. Robert Browning, a very famous English poet, he has said that problems, troubles, sufferings, we should welcome all these things because they always inspire us to go forward. They never let us become lazy person. So we must welcome them. Browning has said this thing. And I think to some extent he is right. We should face the problems boldly. Like Browning, I am not saying that we should welcome problems, but I only say that we should face problems. We should not run away from troubles, sufferings, pains and calamities. We should face them boldly. Problems and sufferings, they make us humble. Happiness, pleasure make us proud. While problems, sufferings, troubles, they make us humble. So, through this video, I want to give a message to all my friends, to all my students, that whenever any problem, whenever any trouble comes in your life, don't run away from that trouble. But we should try to get experience from that trouble. Because each problem which comes to us brings many lessons. Each problem teaches us something. Each problem prompts us, instigates us not to become lazy, but to become active. Each problem says to us not to sit, but stand and move forward. So, we should not be afraid of problems. Problems, troubles, sufferings, let them come. We are ready to face them. In fact, they are just like examination. As in school and college, a student has to appear in exam. And after the exam, the student is declared whether he has got success or he has got failure. So, you should face the troubles, problems boldly. And if you pass these exams, only then you can be called the victor in life. So through this video, I want to say this thing, that problems, sufferings, troubles, when they come in your life, face them boldly, learn from them, get experience from them, because they have their own importance. They come us to teach something. They come us just like a strict teacher. If the teacher is strict, the student will get perfection. There is no doubt in it. So we should face them boldly. We should not run away from them. We are not cowards. We cannot run away as soon as we see problems and troubles coming towards us. But we have to stand. We have to face them. We have to face them boldly. We have to get knowledge from them. We have to get wisdom from them. We have to recognize our own talent, own power, own capacity. So, whenever problems comes, troubles comes, sufferings they come, face them, try to learn from them, recognize them, identify them, and get some lesson and experiences from them. Thanks, students.